everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Writesonic AI account. So first thing first, look for the browser. You can use any browser that you're comfortable with. You can use Chrome or Firefox. For now I'm using Safari. Now go to the address bar and type in Writesonic's official website, that is writesonic.com. So this is the interface that you'll see as soon as you open the official website of Writesonic. Now look for the sign in option at top right corner just beside get started button. Now you can sign in through your Google account or through your Apple ID, or you can also use your business email that you have used to register. Now you can sign in with your OTP or through your password. For now I'm using password. You can also sign in with your SSO. Now go to the password tab and click on it. Now put the password that you have created, and after that click on sign in tab. So now this is the interface that you'll see as soon as you sign in. Now look for the icon which looks like a question mark at bottom right corner of your screen and click on it. Now a menu will appear. Now look for the contact support and click on it. Then after that go to the ask option and here put your name. You can put the subject. You can just write delete account, and after that put the email address and just provide the detail that you want help with. Now type in that you want to delete your account. You can just type that you want to delete your account and then just click on send a message. Now a message is sent to Writesonic AI team. It might take few hours for them to respond. After they go through your message, your account will be deleted from Writesonic AI itself. So that's how you delete your account on Writesonic AI. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.